we're gonna play another game of FLOODY in FLOODY Escape 2. You can remember two of the video that is so laggy, right? I think you can know. It's too laggy in two of that video, so I have to use just in the Astin website. So I downloaded the Astin website to see how it is, because it's not good. I will just it like that. That's why. Okay, let's one more leaf. Oh man, he's too fast. Look, Flamer. I'm gonna call him Flaming because he's flaming up like a little Flamer. Jimmy, I would push it up like that. Okay, let's go. Jump. Yes, jump. Yes, I'm so good. Let's begin the next one. Oh no, increase it too hard. One cannot be. Oh, look, it's still not llama yet. Lava. I don't know, llama. It can be good at calling llama. Go and cross him, you guys. Don't let him die. I am a leader to be me. Oh, again. Not again. Okay, that is what happened to me last time. It's 2. Then, let's begin. Okay. This one, I call it the game. That means that the watch rate is too bad. It's too high. So that's why you're gonna cry. You can cry if you die. Look, yep, he died because he cried. Yeah, that was a joke. Okay, begin. Next one, we will begin at this. Bogar. What's his name? Bogar? He don't look like Bo. Oh, yes. Okay, that's where we go. For some cute. I'm good the next button, guys. I may upload too. I feel bad that I don't press any button. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Oh man, I was almost getting kicked by that block of the void. So let's begin the next round. In just a bit more time. Okay, next one. Boom. That's good. Okay, let's begin the next one. I don't like podcast. Let's begin the next one. One that was by Bonk. Bonky. Okay. We go to the, yes! I'm gonna swim to there! Oh wow, they're so fast. You don't even need the anywhere! Yeah! Oh man! Oh man! I was just 25 health bars. I was just 25 HP and I died. Go! Fast. No. So let's see. Okay, let's begin the next round. Let's jump through the next round. Oh. Okay, not again. Run! Oh, it's coming, the asset. There's too many assets. Okay, too many assets, so you know. Yeah. No! Why? Oh well. Next round will begin in a few more minutes. Oh wow, there was just one people left. It's surviving. Let's begin the next round. I sacrifice my time for you guys, making videos all the time. Okay. Are you kidding me? Like it again. Let's begin. Yeah. Oh man. Oh man, I'm gonna swim up like a pro. Scissor. Okay, run. Jump. Run! Yes! Oh man, that was close, and it's taking me back, taking back my father's llama memory. Oh man, please begin this. Okay, let's begin it. Yeah, I can't explain. Yeah, I am the winner. I am the chicken dinner. Winner, chicken dinner. Okay, next one. Out of my way. This one good. Good at me. It's more help than me. Look. The water too mad to sit on me. Joke. Look, the water is too maniac. Yes, the water is too bad to swim me and release the power. Oh no. Okay, that was close. Oh man. Yes. Okay, begin. Run. Wow, that lucky was almost haunted me. It was almost shocking me. It was almost attacking me. That was very crazy. Very crazy. Next one we're gonna die. So what? Hope you guys did enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe and like if you guys did enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe and say stuff like down the comment below to get all the everything in Mining Simulator. Airplane.